Hi everyone, I'm Neha from WDI Hair Studio and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I have this silicone hair topper. So if you are also having thinning hair on this area, then you can go with this product. This gives you an instant covering on your thinning area. So this is the topper. So this is the mesh and here you will get clips so that you can clip it onto your hair. So I'll show you a demo how to wear this. So let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks. This is very easy to wear. You can see the skin here. This looks so natural. It looks like your own skin. So this is natural black in color, but we have two colors available, natural black and natural brown. And the good thing about this product is you can customize it according to your requirement. Like if you want the length to be short or long, or if you want to make it straight, curl, wave, like everything is possible on this. So yes, if you also want this product, do visit our website. We have many different products along with this. You can place order from there. And if you have any doubts or any queries about these products, you can give us a call, or you can do visit our branches, or if you want online consultation, that also we have. So yes, lastly, if you like this video, give up a big thumbs up, do comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.